This is our location here, 32nd and Shea. It was supposed to be our research development satellite location. It's morphed into something entirely different, our central production facility. Our bakers arrive in the morning at 4 o'clock. They power on the ovens. They start baking by 5. Stores open at 7. We're feeding north of 50,000 meals a week, with a team of 57 ourselves. That's part of what I think makes bakeries powerful is we have the ability to feed the world. You can see Amanda shaping in our Mesa bakery, which is the bakery we built when we were getting kicked out of our garage. We built up a huge community in this area. Uptown Farmers Market's like 10, 15 minutes away. And during COVID, we did home deliveries. Then we started popping up in the parking lot here as we were constructing. People started telling their neighbors. So the neighborhood itself was really ready for more activity. Now we're here in Litchfield and still growing. Business like 32 Shea originally started the Shaperhood Alliance. It's been nothing but collaboration. All of that was kind of a bonus on top of being in a central corner near a highway, which was actually all I was screening for originally. Jamie, this is Thomas from Local First Arizona. He just connected us with Community Bank that's funding our Eco Phoenix and Gilbert projects. So these guys have been really great partners.
It's got to be a bit of humility too to look at something like this in awe of where you were when you started in the garage.
Every time I look at this oven, I just see Amanda's condo in Tempe. That's what it took to even give us a proper oven. It's also representative in what's hard about small business, where you're always kind of reaching up for the next level and having to pay for the next level while being in the level you're at right now. A lot of stuff behind the scenes that allows us to do what we do. Flour, water, salt, sourdough starter. With that set of resources, alchemy transpired. We're making croissant dough. It stretches a little so you can see that the gluten's developed. To hand laminate, press down and out. I'm gonna open up fully to 5, place another chocolate on the other side, and those are my pain au chocolat. Outside end into the middle, and I'm left with this braided twist. You want to avoid ones that are too dense. Also probably just means you didn't proof long enough. Let's go over what it's like to build a bakery from one person to many.
At our largest facility, it's probably 30 people, but across the organization, it's around 50.
At the end of the day, that's more of a question of what kind of culture have you built so far and how many people are actually invested into that mission.
There's ways to scale and pick equipment that does not compromise quality, but just as easily you could scale your way into equipment that does nothing but compromise quality.
As long as you can keep the integrity of the process intact and you're not prone to compromise for the machinery that you own.
I'm offering something that's got inherent value in it.
Like when they come up and they're like, wow, your bread is so beautiful. It's like, yeah, I scored that. The thing that you're wowed by, I did it.
Your products should be the stars of building demand over time. Ingredients are more powerful and less expensive than advertisements. You should use them.